Digital marketing and network marketing are both powerful strategies for growing a business. Digital marketing utilizes online platforms and tools to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to websites. Network marketing, on the other hand, relies on building relationships and creating a network of individuals who promote and sell products. In digital marketing, companies can use various channels like social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to connect with potential customers. With network marketing, individuals can recruit others to join their team and earn commissions from their sales. Digital marketing offers the advantage of targeting specific demographics and tracking performance through data analytics. In network marketing, personal connections and word-of-mouth recommendations play a significant role in acquiring customers. Digital marketing allows businesses to scale quickly and reach a global market, while network marketing focuses on building a loyal customer base through personal connections. In digital marketing, businesses can leverage automation tools to streamline processes and reach a wider audience. Network marketing relies on personal communication and building trust through face-to-face interactions. Digital marketing requires ongoing learning and adapting to new technologies to stay relevant in the ever-changing online landscape. Network marketing relies on teamwork and support from the company and other team members. Digital marketing allows businesses to measure the success of their campaigns through key performance indicators and analytics. In network marketing, individuals can earn passive income by building a strong team that continues to generate sales. Digital marketing may require a larger initial investment in tools and advertising campaigns. Network marketing often has a lower startup cost and allows individuals to work from home and have flexible schedules. Digital marketing offers the advantage of reaching a larger audience in a shorter amount of time. Network marketing provides the opportunity to build personal relationships and have a strong support system. Both digital marketing and network marketing can be effective, but the choice depends on the business model and goals. Ultimately, the key is to find the marketing strategy that aligns with your strengths, resources, and preferred way of doing business. By combining digital marketing and network marketing, businesses can leverage the benefits of both strategies and maximize their reach and sales. The digital era has transformed the way businesses promote their products and connect with customers. Network marketing, on the other hand, remains a powerful strategy for building a loyal customer base and earning passive income. In the end, the decision between digital marketing and network marketing depends on your business goals and personal preferences. Whether you choose digital marketing, network marketing, or a combination of both, it's important to stay focused and dedicated to your marketing efforts. With the right strategy and mindset, both digital marketing and network marketing can lead to business success.